Shut up! Like, what is this?
Come up. If she didn't come up now, people would think.
I'm alright. No, I'm okay.
Sorry.
It's not painful. No, it's not painful.
What happened?
Which one is not painful? All this screaming.
No, it is. No, I mean, it's not painful.
What was the screaming for? You must tell the people.
No, it's like, I don't know what to call it, but it's not painful.
What's going on? Which areas are you feeling pain and so?
Basically, my upper back, and then I have the pain sometimes, like when I bend, sometimes I feel it, my back of my left thigh. Yeah, but generally, like lower back, not really. There was a time I remember 2 years ago that I had this sharp pain in my lower back, but it eased up after a while. So I didn't think much of it, but the pain on my upper back has been constant for years.
You came a long way.
Yes. Minna, Niger State.
For people that don't know, help us understand.
Niger State is in north of Nigeria. It's about 2-3 hours from Abuja.
How far is Abuja from here?
Abuja is far. Abuja is far.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, done your x-ray?
Yeah.
I've already shown you this.
Yeah.
So, giving yourself sort of deviation to the right.
This is mad.
And also the hips that are not even and so on. Then we move to the side. We can see the degeneration within the L5-S1. Yes. And we are currently at this upper back area. Then you're asking me, why is your head?
Yeah, really, where's my head? Like, okay, because my head is not, this is not.
It's not on straight.
It's not straight.
Once the head is misaligned, obviously the neck area and everything else trickles down. Right? So everything is connected. Even the shoulders as well. A little difficult to see, but this right side is a little higher than the left side as well. But then there's no surprise because again, this was what I went over during the presentation.
Am I like the, is this how I look?
Well, it's not you. This is
I
how
mean,
this is how
don't
you
think but does this match this?
I wonder because we saw the hips are uneven, we saw the deviation. We're seeing the shoulders and the head, neck area as well. Ready?
Yeah.
It's your turn. You've always been watching the videos. I like that you're wearing the Nigerian.
Oh, okay. This is crazy.
Come, please.
Let's stand up. Oh!
What was that sound? The fly flew in your mouth? Are you okay?
Are you for real?
You gotta come up slow, come up.
Okay.
If you come up now, people would think.
I'm alright. No, I'm okay.
Sorry.
It's not painful. No, it's not painful.
What happened?
Which one is not painful? All this screaming.
No, it is. No, I mean, it's not painful.
What was the screaming for? You must tell the people.
No, it's like, I don't know what to call it, but it's not painful. No, I can't feel any pain. I can't feel any pain, but it's quick. Ow!
So anything that's quick, you shout.
No. Wow. Okay. Have we done? No.
How are we?
Okay.
We're just getting started. You okay? Face down.
Okay.
If she didn't come up now, people would think our own Let's just ride her wheel and move on.
No.
You okay?
Relax, baby. Come on, girl.
Bring the stomach down. And you even brought a cheerleader here, so.
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath in and out. More here. Deep breath in and out. Relax. You can come up.
What is good can you see?
Thumbs up.
There's no word.
Like this down.
I have a question.
I'm listening.
Why is it that in movies when they do that the people die?
Why is it in movies when they shoot the person and they die, you still see them the next day?
Okay.
Why is it in movies? They will die in one movie. Next week, they will be in the movie.
Wow.
It's just a movie. Bring your head up.
Good girl.
Ha. We'll see.
You can do it.
Head down. The type of scream.
No, she won't scream.
Amen. So I'll tell you what I'll do before I do it, okay? I'm going to stretch and then make a quick adjustment, okay? Bring your hand to your stomach. Okay, to your side.
I'm gonna leave you go.
Shut up! Like, what is this? Wait. No. I'm okay.
What does it feel like? Are you, you feel some pain? Oh God. She's singing our national anthem.
She's doing the next of our nation.
You felt it more in the neck or where? More in the neck? You keep giving me thumbs up, but your action is not showing thumbs up.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
This is why when people watch videos, they are confused.
No, you won't understand. I mean, sorry, you might. I don't know if you understand, but
What does it feel like?
I'm okay. There's this warmth, like warm my neck, and then I feel. Don't know what to call it. Yeah. It's. I'm okay. Do I stand up?
Can you stand?
It's possible.
Boy.
Come on up.
Sorry. Daddy? Can you see me? Sorry.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Definitely.
everything's fine. Okay.
Come please, you rest for about 15, 20 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Come please.